The Soundcore P30i Earbuds combine strong bass, smart features, and reliable battery life, all in a compact design that fits effortlessly into your daily routine. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Soundcore P30i Earbuds. Charging case. Extra ear tips. Charging cable. And user manual. How to wear. Take the earbuds out of the charging case and choose the ear tip size that fits you best. Place them in your ears, rotate for a comfortable fit, and keep the logo upright so the microphone faces your mouth. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. How to pair. Download the Soundcore app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Use it to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. The Soundcore app helps you get the best experience and more control over your earbuds. Open Settings and go to Connected Devices, then tap Pair New Device. After that, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. They will automatically enter pairing mode, so you should see them appear in the device list. Once they show up, simply tap on them to connect. Download and install the Soundcore app from the App Store or Play Store. Open it, agree to the terms, and allow Bluetooth access. Take the earbuds out of the case so the lights start blinking, then go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and select Soundcore P30i to connect. After pairing, use the Soundcore app to check battery, adjust sound, customize controls, and enable dual connection. Smart features? Smart ANC automatically adjusts based on your surroundings and can reduce noise up to 42 decibels, giving you a more immersive listening experience anywhere. The charging case doubles as a phone stand, letting you watch videos hands-free anytime, super unique and practical. With 4 AI-enhanced microphones, your voice stays clear while background noise is reduced, great for calls in busy places. Switch instantly to transparency mode to hear your surroundings without removing the earbuds, perfect for conversations or safety. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Soundcore P30i earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Soundcore P30i earbuds. See you at the next one.